the game very well. I expect a very hard game. So look, we'll start with Brazil, who is their opening game. So you can imagine they'll be 100 miles an hour, flying around the pitch trying to get some early tries and rattle us. We'll have to deal with them and then have a very tough game against Argentina. And then that day two looks terrifically hard, because we'll have the final group game against America, then we'll go straight into a quarter-final. And that could actually be against Argentina or the US. I hope it isn't, because I hate that idea of playing each other twice in the groups. So fingers crossed that won't. If everything works out, then we'll play fourth seeds, which would be on paper Australia or Great Britain, but none of that happens in tournaments. And I think our best results in tournaments has been when we've played big teams in knockouts. Look at Hong Kong 2 years ago, England, South Africa, New Zealand. We did that in Dubai this year as well, with New Zealand and and England in the semi-finals and finals. We rise to the challenge. I think sometimes we do drop off a little bit if we have what we perceive as an easier team. So it's something we've drummed into the boys' heads, that we have to have absolute top level world-class performances, and the boys all want to be on the pitch, so they're all going to want to play to the very best of their ability. So no, I mean, we've been talking about this for 3 years since they've come. We're now 9 days from picking a team. We're a couple of weeks from flying to Chile. It's flown by. It's exciting times.